Estamos aquí con el Tornado Morales, viene desde Estados Unidos, Washington, y viene en su segunda pelea a México. Ya se había presentado anteriormente en Tijuana, ahora estás aquí en Guadalajara. ¿Qué tal la ciudad? What do you think about Guadalajara?
I love it. It's beautiful. Haven't gone very many places, but it's beautiful so far, and I want to come back after the fight and vacation here.
Okay. Tornado, es una pelea quizá que en el récord no parezca una pelea tan complicada con Holguín, porque tiene muchas derrotas, pero este tipo de peleadores a veces son los que más se complican. This might be an easy fight. Well, it seems like it's going to be like an easy fight because of the record of your rival, but sometimes these kind of rivals have push more because they have nothing to lose. So what do you think about this fight?
I know that he's going to come out and push me. He's very, very rough. He's very awkward. He's going to come out there and give it his all. He has nothing to lose. He's in his hometown, so I expect him to just bring a big fight.
Okay. Una última cosa, después de esta pelea, ¿esperas una pelea por el título en más o menos cuánto tiempo? En unos 2-3 años ya buscar una pelea importante en tu peso, en el peso pluma. After this fight, if everything goes well, do you think you're ready to fight for a title match maybe in a couple of years when you have more experience?
For sure. I'm going to be fighting hopefully for a junior title, uno título más menos, next year, in the beginning of the year. And we're going to do that maybe in March, and we're going to win that, and we'll have a small title, and then maybe in another year we'll do a world title.
You are two